Do-it-yourself solar, or we will do it for you with one low price nationwide. Are you thinking about putting solar panels on your roof, but do not like the quotes you had been given by the solar salespeople? Using our artificial intelligence technology, we can scientifically calculate your energy needs and significantly reduce your solar installation cost while providing you with a system which will fulfill your energy needs for the next 30 years. Our artificial intelligence technology has no emotions, is not motivated by commissions, and has no sales pitch. It is trusted more because it is 100% fact and science-based. Developing this technology has enabled us to eliminate the commission cost of the sale and being able to offer better pricing to our customers. Solarit offers both a white glove solar installation in 24 states and a do-it-yourself solar program offered in all 50 states. After receiving the initial online quote, our non-commission-based consultants will further refine a precise energy system for your property. Our consultants can help you with power storage demands, EV charging, and any other needs you may have. For do-it-yourself clients, we bundle a complete solar equipment system, including panels, inverters, racking, connectors, and batteries. If you require power backup, we will do all the design, architectural, structural, and engineering, including providing stamped plans, ready to be submitted for your building permit. Our white glove service takes care of all aspects of the project, starting from initial assessments, design and permitting, coordination and installation, and grid connection. In both cases, you will get an app that will allow you to monitor your solar power production on hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly basis for free. Solarit also offers panel cleaning and remote monitoring service. All installations have a minimum of 25 years warranty. We offer one low price nationwide, no salesman, no commission costs, no sales pitch. We use technology and science to bring down the cost and offer facts to serve you better. Get your quote, get informed, compare our services and prices, and benefit from our technology.